up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video today, and I didn't make y'all wait 2 and 3 and 4 months for it, y'all, so I need a round of applause for that because I'm getting better and I'm gonna be more consistent. If you are new to my channel, which I'm sure most of you are, go ahead and go on over and follow me on Instagram at DeRayMUA and Ebony from Hooters. And also go ahead and subscribe to me and turn my notifications on so you're notified every time that I go ahead and post a video, which I promise is gonna be more often, y'all. I just have to find time to sit down and edit and stuff or whatever. But today we're going to be plucking a middle part and a closure. This was requested by my Facebook family, so I went ahead and did this video for y'all. So the first thing I'm doing is finding the part, and I put some foaming wrapping lotion so I can keep the hair in place while I'm plucking and find where I want to put the part or whatever. So that's what I'm just doing right here. And then I'm gonna start plucking. So basically what you want to do is pluck 2 lines in the closure. So if you look really close at your lace, the little holes are like grids or whatever, and then those holes go straight back into a line. So what you want to do is pluck 2 lines straight back. So two holes side by side, and then you want to pluck straight back. I wish y'all could see. This is a transparent closure, so it's kind of hard to see on the video. I tried to zoom y'all in as close as I could, but it was kind of hard. I should have used my other lens. That one has a better zoom, but whatever. It was just a quick video. If y'all want to know how to pluck a side part closure, just let me know in the comments and I'll film that video for y'all. So when you pluck, you want to make sure that you're actually pulling out the knots, not just breaking off the hair, because removing the knots is what make the part look clean. So you want to make sure that you pulling it out, and then you want to take your time on this, guys. Do not rush, do not pull too hard, because you will rip holes in the lace if you are too rough or if you're just trying to hurry up and do it. So just take your time, and I promise your shit gonna come out looking good as fuck. Excuse my bogus ass braids, y'all. I did not know that it was in the fucking video, and I hate them. The girl who did my hair, she fucked it up. $200 wasted, and I have to go pay another $200 to get my shit done. That's another story for another time. So I'm just pretty much just, plucking out the knots. And I like to do this before I bleach the knots. I was doing it after, but it's kind of hard for me to see it with the bleach knots, with the blonde knots, being on the wig kid. So I prefer to do it first and then bleach the knots. But it's real easy, y'all. Really, really easy. Just take your time, don't rush, and only pluck 2 lines, and your part gonna be perfect, I promise. I would not lie to y'all. Alright, so y'all, this is the end result. I'm gonna take it off so y'all can see too, because my wig head got that on it. All of them do. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous, y'all. But I have a nice clean part, and you see it's not too wide and it's not too skinny, because I hate wide ass parts and I hate skinny ass parts. So this is definitely natural. And some people would just wear it like this without bleaching the knots. You can do that, but I don't. Anyways, that's it for the video today, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.